System configuration. To set up the system, first download the IP EVO app and create the account for the installer. Press Start. You will find some introductory screens where you can navigate by pressing the right arrow button. Press Create Account and accept the privacy conditions with the flag on the right. Click Next and enter the email address. We recommend using an email address that you can consult with from this smartphone to avoid mistakes. Press Next and create a password that meets the requirements indicated. As you type the password, green check marks are activated if the password meets the requirements. Once the account is created, press Next. At this point, the system sends an email with a numeric code to confirm the account registration. Check your email box and enter the numeric code in the app. Press Next. Now log in with the username and password you created earlier. Clicking on Log In. Now you need to set up the system. With the entry panel powered up, return to the app. Press Start the installation process. The camera will open. If prompted by smart device, allow access to camera, microphone, etc. Using the keypad, select the installation language with the arrow keys and press Bell to confirm. Scan the QR code displayed on the entry panel to start the installation process. Select the type of connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click Continue. If Wi-Fi, follow Process to select the network. Now the system asks you to create your installation. Press Continue. Create a new building for the installation. Press OK. Give your building a name. Add admin code. And select language. Add image if required. Click Confirm. Select Use current location, then save. This position will be used for local time synchronization and for the weather forecast visible on any monitor. Assign a name to the entry panel you are associating with this system. For example, Main Entrance. Press Next. Press End to complete this first part of the configuration. Now, to allow the user to be able to open the entrance, you must configure the outputs of the entry panel. Select Main Entrance. Select Outputs. Select S+, S- output. This will give voltage out of S+, S- for electric strike. Option: select Relay Output for clean contact relay activation. Name the output, for example, Door. Set mode and relay time if required. Click Save Configuration. Double-click Back icon top left to exit back to the main screen. Your panel installation, including relay times, etc., is now complete. Now you must associate a license with the system. Apartments, flats, offices, etc. are referred to as housing units. The licenses are purchased separately. Press the 3 lines button at the top right to bring up the menu. Press Licenses. Click on the plus button at the top right to open the camera. Scan the license QR code. The licenses are purchased separately. Press the back arrow button. OK, now you can create the housing unit. Press Go to Units page. Press Add New Unit. Fill in the name field. This will be displayed in the keypad directory. Complete the alias, which is the number to dial to call that apartment. The other fields are optional. Select the entry panel you associated with the system. Press Add New Unit to create the new housing unit. At this point, the housing unit is created, and you can proceed with inviting the new housing unit. Select the housing unit. Now invite a smart user by clicking Invite User. Enter the user's email address, in this case, Mr. Brown. Click on Send Invitation. The invitation has been sent to Mr. Brown. Click Back. You can see the invitation is pending and waiting to be confirmed.